If it is I gave you $500 and you weren't grateful about me giving you that $500, do you think I'd be likely to give you another $500? Hey guys, Brandon here. What's up? Today we're going to be talking about gratitude and tests. In this industry, we are tested all the time by virtue of you taking a loss. The reality is if you aren't okay with losing, then there's no way you should be okay with winning. Most people who are successful in anything in life have failed way more times than they are successful. One big reason you might not be advancing in life or as a trader is because you simply aren't ready for it. There's a saying that goes, you'll never get more than you're ready for, and you'll never be given more than you can handle. If you can't take a loss, winning won't seem like it's worth it. This is why you are tested. Just like in school, the universe needs to make sure that you are ready for what it wants to give you next. But if you aren't ready, then the universe isn't going to give it to you. Let me give you an example. If you're continuously blowing your Forex account, your trading account, it says a lot about your ability to manage risk. That being said, I want you to think carefully about what I'm going to tell you. With $100,000 account, if you can't manage a smaller account, do you think you'll be able to manage a bigger one? Probably not. This speaks to very poor risk management. So the same way you blow your account is the same way you could lose $100,000 account, $1 million account, or even $100 million account. You'll never be given more than you can handle. What you should do is try to learn from the loss and make meaningful changes. These are the things that most Forex traders don't even think about for themselves, far less to tell you about it. That being said, look at a loss as a lesson, not a curse. Alright guys, that's it. Very short video on a Monday. If you liked it, hit like, comment below what you think about this. If it is you think I'm making sense, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more content like this. Otherwise, don't be afraid to hit me up on Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, wherever at Ikata Trading. And I will see you all in the next one.